how much phantom coin will fall, and at which price you should initiate a fresh position in this coin. So according to me, this coin can fall around 2.50 USD, and from here it can give a bounce back, and you must know the reason why it will bounce back from here only. Because first of all, this is a support zone of this phantom coin, first reason. And second reason is this black, yeah, brown line is a strong support zone for this coin, and your stop loss should be this only. If it coin closes below this line, with this black line, then you must exit from this coin. And if you want to buy a if you want to make fresh position, you want to buy this coin, then you have to buy near this coin, and your target would be this level, this level, Bollinger Band upper level. And why I am saying that this coin will fall, because if you will look at its lower time frame, then you will see that this graph is looking downward, which means simply means that this coin is in downtrend. And second is, this coin is below this black line, which simply means that for small time, this coin is in bearish mode and can touch to 2.50 USD level according to me. But you have to do your analysis before buying and selling, because you before buying and selling. And you must like the video and subscribe the channel for further update. Thank you for watching this video.